Bright morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online class from your home. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja Digital Classes. Subject EVS. Topic the sun, moon and stars. Class first standard. Dear students, in today's class, let us know about the sun, moon and stars. Children would have done their story session with granddad till grandma called them in for dinner. So, grandpa was little surprised when he saw Arzu restless this evening. The children had arrived just this morning for their 45-day summer vacation. But he continued with the story. Suddenly, Arzu burst out, "It is not fair, Grandpa. You have so many more stars than we have back home. And your stars are brighter too." Grandpa now understood what was troubling Arzu. Arman, who had immediately looked up at the sky too, said, "Wow, Grandpa, have you stolen our stars? You have so many and we have so few." Grandpa smiled. He said, "No one can steal stars. No one can even reach close to them. Stars are actually very big ball of fire. They are very far away. So they look like tiny lights in the sky. And you can see more stars here because the air is clean and there is no pollution in villages. In city where you live, the air is not clean and so the stars appear to be far fewer there." Once again, listen children, in the city, fewer stars as air is not clean and polluted. The next morning, Grandpa woke them up early and took them for a walk in the garden behind their house. As the sun rose, he continued from where he had left last night. "You see the sun? This is also a star. Sun is a star. But since it is much closer than to earth the other stars." Once again, listen children. Sun is closer to the earth than the other stars. We can see it as a big yellow ball in the sky. Even now, you feel I have stolen the stars from your city? He asked Arman. Grandpa wondered what was the joke as they all entered the house laughing. All living things need the sun. Without the sun, there would be no life on earth. Sun gives us heat and light. Sun rises from the east every morning and sets in the west every evening. We should never look directly at the sun as it can harm our eyes. Once again, listen children. We should never look directly at the sun. It can harm our eyes. 7 sunrises and sunsets make up a week. You know children, we have given a name to every day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week, children? Yes, there are 7 days. Moon. The moon is like a white shining ball. Once again, listen children. The moon is like a white shining ball. Sometimes it appears golden, sometimes blue, and sometimes white. The moon also changes its shape. Children, observe the moon every 2 days. It will have a different shape. One day, every 4 weeks, we see a full moon, and on one day, we see no moon in the sky. You know, children, the moon changes its shape every day. The moon is not a star. It does not have light of its own. Moon shines because the light of the sun falls on it. How the moon shines? Because the light of the sun falls on it. Then the moon shines. You know children, the moon is closer to the earth. The moon is not hot. That is why people have gone to moon in rockets. Once again, listen children, the moon is not hot. That is why people have gone to the moon in rockets. But those people wear special suit. They are called astronaut. Points to remember from this lesson. Listen children, there are millions of stars in the sky. We cannot count them. Stars are big ball of fire. They are very far away from Earth. The sun is also a star. It is closer to Earth than the other stars. All living things need the sun. It gives us heat and light. The moon is not a star. We see it in the sky at night. The moon reflects the light of the sun. The moon changes its shape every day. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you everyone for watching.